Remember that bright thing in the sky at daytime? I think I've seen it a couple of times this year, yeah. Montage of 7 frames stitched together. What an effort, eh? Solar Mosaic. Lunt 80 double stack. Quark Chromosphere. ASI 174. Holy shit. That is disgustingly good. Oh my god, yeah. I don't know if you're still here, Stephen, but holy crap, mate. That is a proper banging image. Yeah, oh, mate, I'm all for that one. Really love it. It's like a macro photo of an orange or something. There's so much texture. Wow. Yeah, that's really astonishingly good, that one. Love it. Really, 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 really fine image. That is a holy shit image. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not going crazy, Brian. Thank you for the sanity check, mate. Agree with you on that one, Luke. That sun image, yeah. Are you still here, Stephen? It's absolutely sick. I'll tell you what, yeah. You know what we were talking about earlier, how I don't submit my images? If I'd taken that, I might. It's a really nice shot, dude. Well done. Lucas 2, 16 hours. Ascar 103. Dewey 17, ASI 26 from MC, SV 220. Thanks, Luke. Always taking notes and appreciating your reviews to progress in my Astro journey. Super, mate.